NC State University is a land-grant institution for the people of North Carolina and respectfully acknowledges that the lands within and surrounding present-day Raleigh are the traditional homelands and gathering places many indigenous peoples, including 8 federally and state-recognized tribes: Coerie, Eastern Band of Cherokee, Halawi, Saponi, Lumbee, Meherrin, Oshinichi Band of Saponi Nation, Saponi, and Wakama Siwa. We share an ongoing responsibility to safeguard these lands and to respect the sovereignty of the tribes and the indigenous nations residing in North Carolina. NC State honors all indigenous peoples who have been and continue to be an integral part of our university's history and culture. Today's 20th anniversary groundbreaking celebration honors the land of those who have resided here before, as well as those who reside on this land and in this building today. We recognize that the history of this space and place this building occupies is important. We also acknowledge everyone who has ever stood on this ground. A critical aspect of our mission is rooted in acknowledging our shared history and cultivating equity. Today, this building is named after Bill and Ida Friday, who are passionate advocates and leaders in education for more than 50 years. The entryway of this building, known as the Flood Gallery, honors Dr. Dudley Flood, an educator and former administrator at the North Carolina Department of Public Instruction, NCDPI, who was instrumental in desegregating North Carolina schools. Dr. Flood worked tirelessly for equitable education in North Carolina and is an example of what can be accomplished in the name of education. The Flood Gallery welcomes all into the Friday Institute and is the first thing visitors see when they enter our building of ideas.
We are giving our children the future. What will we give them to shape it? This is the calling, the charge of the William and Ida Friday Institute for Educational Innovation.
There's one constant in our lives today, and that's change. The most important thing in our lives today is a sound education. Ignorance is the greatest paralysis a young person can face. So what we've got to learn is how to live with change. That change is dominated by science and technology. That's why this institute should be at the center of science and technology in our state, and that's North Carolina State University.
On NC State University's Centennial Campus, the Friday Institute and its business and community partners will reach into every corner of the state, drawing on the resources and experience of master teachers across North Carolina, tying all of our schools, all of our students, all of our educators into one vast technology-enabled network.
It's a matter of what we really value as a people. And if we don't put education first, we stop growing ourselves as a nation. And that we can't afford because we are the hope of oppressed peoples all over the world.
We cannot expect our children to successfully face 21st century challenges with 20th century solutions. We must begin to reshape and reinvent our schools to give our children the skills, the tools, and the desire to achieve. Join us as we undertake this noble and exciting task. Join us in the creation of a dream, the Friday Institute, the building of ideas.